It might happen that you lose or forget your phone somewhere. If an honest someone finds it, it's essential for them to find a way to contact you. If they can't enter your phone because it's locked, they can't find the required information unless you have the information right there on your lock screen. To set this up, you go to Settings, Lock Screen and Always On Display, and Contact Information. We'll add something like do the right thing with an emoji and the number of your partner, parents, or someone else, and press Done. If you have an older model, you'll have to do this another way. Just press and hold the home screen, choose for Wallpaper and Style, press the left one, and choose Contact Information. Now your lock screen will have the information right at the bottom. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.